Hey, quickly just wanted to show you how to download Slack and get it running with your computer and with your phone. Go to slack.com. Then when you get there, scroll to the bottom, click the download on the resources, and then download one of these options right here, whether you have 32-bit or 64-bit. And then sign into your channels after the application is going. I recommend putting the application to start when your computer starts up, and then immediately do the same thing on your phone. The neat thing about Slack is how seamless it is between phone, uh, computer. I put it on my tablet. I have it everywhere because it's one of the programs that I use that is probably the most seamless. So get Slack going, and then communication can start, and we can work on integrations within Slack. We can make that the communication hub for everything.